India, size and location. Class 9 Geography. Location. India is a vast country lying entirely in the northern hemisphere. The mainland extends between latitudes 8 degree 4 minute north and 37 degree 6 minute north and longitude 68 degree 7 minute east and 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer divides the country into almost two equal parts. To the southeast and southwest of the mainland lie the Andaman and Nicobar Islands and the Lakshadweep Islands in Bay of Bengal and Arabian Sea respectively. Size. The landmass of India has an area of 3.28 million square kilometer. India's total area accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country of the world. India has a land boundary of about 15,200 km and the total length of the coastline of the mainland including Andaman and Nicobar and the Lakshadweep is 7,516.6 km. India is bounded by the Yangful Mountains in the northwest, north and northeast, south of about 22 degrees north latitude. It begins to taper and extends towards the Indian Ocean, dividing it into two seas, the Arabian Sea and on the west and the Bay of Bengal on its east. The latitudinal and longitudinal extent of the mainland is about 30 degrees. Despite this fact, the east-west extent appears to be smaller than the north-south extent. From Gujarat to Arunachal Pradesh, there is a time lag of 2 hours. Hence, time along the standard meridian of India passing through Mirzapur is taken as the standard time for the whole country. India's size in the world. India's size compared to other countries. India and the world. The Indian landmass has a central location between the East and the West Asia. India is a southward extension of the Asian continent. The Trans-Indian Ocean routes which connect the countries of Europe in the west and the countries of East Asia provide a strategic central location to India. Note that the Deccan Peninsula protrudes into the Indian Ocean, thus helping India to establish close contact with West Asia, Africa and Europe from the western coast and with the Southeast and East Asia from the eastern coast. No other country has a long coastline on the Indian Ocean as India has just and indeed it is India's eminent position in the Indian Ocean which justifies the naming of an ocean after it. India's contact with the world have continued through ages, but her relationships through land routes are much older than her maritime contacts. The various passes across the mountain in the north have provided passages to the ancient travelers, while the ocean restricted such interaction for a long time. These routes have been contributed in the exchange of ideas and commodities since ancient times. The ideas of the Upanishads and the Ramayana, the stories of Panchatantra, the Indian numerals, and the decimal system thus could reach many parts of the world. The spices, muslin, and the other merchandise were taken from India to different countries. On the other hand, the influence of Greek sculpture and the architectural style of dome and minarets from West Asia can be seen in different parts of our country. India on international highway of trade and commerce. India's neighbor. India shares its land boundary with Pakistan, Afghanistan in northwest, China, Nepal and Bhutan in the north, and Myanmar and Bangladesh in its east. Our southern neighbors across the sea consist of two island countries, namely Sri Lanka and Maldives. Sri Lanka is separated from India by a narrow channel of sea formed by the Palk Strait and the Gulf of Mannar, while Maldives Islands are situated to the south of Lakshadweep Islands. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed today's video.